This AI guru claims he made $847,000 in 30 days using ChatGPT, so I investigated his business. First red flag. His course closes tonight countdown magically resets every time you refresh the page. Then I checked the income screenshots. Different fonts, weird spacing, misaligned numbers. The dashboards honestly look edited, and the testimonials get even worse. One successful student is literally a stock photo model. Another profile picture looks AI generated. But here's the part that really exposes these fake gurus. They always sell the same fantasy: make passive income with secret AI systems. If somebody truly had a money-printing AI business, why would they sell it for $49? Most of these people are better at selling courses than building real companies. Real businesses take testing, patience, actual skills, and consistency, not fake Lamborghinis and rented Airbnbs. So before buying any AI course, ask yourself, are they teaching business or just marketing a dream? Comment the sketchiest AI guru you've seen online. Part 2 is coming.